Once upon a time, in a land far away, there was a brave little princess named Emma. Emma had a head full of golden curls and a heart filled with courage and kindness. She lived in a grand castle overlooking a magical forest, which was said to be filled with enchanted creatures and mysterious adventures. One sunny morning, Princess Emma woke up to find that her beloved crown had disappeared. Her crown was not just a piece of jewelry. It was a special golden crown gifted by the fairy queen on her birth, said to have magical powers that brought happiness to the land. Emma knew she had to find it before the sun set, or else the happiness it brought could turn into sadness. With a determined spirit, Emma put on her favorite purple cloak and decided to set off into the forest to find the missing crown. As she stepped outside, she was greeted by her loyal companion, Sir Whiskers, a wise and witty cat who never left her side. "We have a crown to find," Emma declared, her eyes sparkling with courage. The forest was dense and full of curious sounds. The little princess wasn't afraid, for she believed in the goodness of the forest. As Emma and Sir Whiskers journeyed deeper into the woods, they met a grouchy old owl perched high up in an oak tree. "Who goes there?" the owl hooted, squinting through his spectacles. Emma gave a polite curtsy and explained her dilemma. "Dear wise owl, I have lost my crown, and I must find it before dusk to keep my kingdom joyful." The owl hooted thoughtfully, and then pointed its wing toward the bubbly brook and said, "Perhaps the fish have seen it. Follow the brook, it leads to many secrets of the forest." Emma thanked the owl and skipped along the bubbling brook. With Sir Whiskers prancing beside her, they soon came upon a family of talking fish who were splashing around playfully. "Oh, Princess Emma!" the fish chimed in unison when she explained her quest. "A shiny crown you seek glittered in the morning sun as a mischievous monkey dashed by with it in fun." Emma's heart leaped with hope. "Did you see where the monkey went?" she asked eagerly. The fish pointed their fins toward the tallest tree in the forest. "Look there, dear princess," they gurgled. "The tallest tree is the mischievous monkey's playground." Emma and Sir Whiskers hurried to the tree, their eyes peeled for any sign of the cheeky monkey. As they reached the tree, they saw the mischievous creature swinging gleefully, Emma's golden crown nestled playfully on its head. "Oh, sweet monkey," Emma called with a giggle. "May I have my crown back, please? It's precious to me and my people." The monkey, seeing Emma and sensing her honesty and kindness, scrambled down the branches and presented the crown to her with a toothy grin. "Thank you, kind monkey," Emma said, as she placed the crown gently back on her head. Just then, a flash of golden light spread over the forest, and laughter echoed through the trees, filling the air with happiness. Emma and Sir Whiskers returned to the castle with joy in their hearts, knowing that the kingdom would remain a happy place as long as they shared courage, kindness, and an adventurous spirit. And so, the brave little princess and her loyal companion lived happily ever after, often visiting their friends in the magical forest, where many more adventures awaited.